Guys, so we are at Walmart and we found some new soft and slow squishies. They are so cute, and in the corner right here it says Series 2 Ultra Squishy. They're the soft and slow brand. They have this super cute penguin right here, and they are super soft. They're not dense at all. So they have this one. They have this adorable bunny right here. Super cute, super soft. Then right here they have, I don't think it says what they are. Oh, it says that they're animal pals. So they are animal pals. They are super cute. Aren't they cute, Nina? They're adorable. And they have the original ones, pancake stack, ice cream. And then this one right here is a new series in the sweet shop. So they have these ones too. It's a pancake stack, I think. It has different stuff on it. And then they have this one. It's like a tart. This is from the sweet shop, Series 1. You see all the squishies? And then they have a new cake. It's a pink cake with whipped cream. Do you like that one? This is Series 1, the sweet shop too. Look at this one. Look at the seal. Is it cute? And this is the Animal Pals too. Then they have this one. Look at the doggy. Is that a doggy? The Animal Pals Series 2. Look how cute! Isn't it adorable? And what is this one? This one's another seal. Super cute.